How to get Valentine's Day frame on TikTok profile picture. First, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the TikTok to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now what you have to do is head towards the profile page of any of the user that has Valentine's Day frame. For example, you can head towards the profile page of mine. Once you're over here, what you have to do is press and hold on the profile picture. Then you'll get this kind of option add frame. Clicking on that, you'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you are able to get access to different frames. In order to get this Valentine's frame, you have to complete these missions. Scrolling down, you're gonna find different music options. So what you have to do is you have to complete these missions. That means you will need to share this song. First, add any of these songs to the music or the Spotify, then share it. Once you complete the mission, you will get access to profile frame. For that, you can head back, navigate to your profile page and check. The Valentine's Day frame will be available for your TikTok profile picture as well. So this way you are able to get Valentine's Day frame on TikTok profile picture. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.